Guys, we're going to one of the store that we pass in the plaza downtown under mall, as you can see. It's food court. Dami ng sarado dito. Under renovation siguro, guys. Minsan naliligaw din ako dito eh. Naliligaw din ako dito, hindi ako sanay. Ay, ang bear, ang cute. Ang cute ng bear, oh. Huhulog ka dyan ng coins. Yun. Bihira lang ako na mamasyal dito, guys. This that's a downtown underground mall. Alright, let's go in the store. There. Baba tayo dito. Bibili lang ng sunglass. Pa-summer na, spring na, marami ng araw. Pa tayo. Let's go to shopping. Let's go to shopping. Food court. There's McDonald's, this Subway, Tikimeng, Chinese food. This Subway. We're going here. Oh, wow. Ay! Oh no. Ayaw ko yun. May music ba? Wow! This for men. Ay, mga bag. This the bag. May music ba?
No.
Swatch for the ladies. Ay, yung relo ko andun. Andito namang sunglass, guys. This one is good. Mamahalin siguro yan. Ilagay sa parador. Mamahalin siguro to. May tatakbuhin. Hindi natin maisuot until the lady will not come. The lady is busy. Yun lang. Gusto ko yung malaki. Ano? Ano na? Guess. Maluwang. Second try. Number 3 try. Which one? Number 4 try. It's a guess. Number 5 try. Which one, guys? Hirap mamili, no? Pang araw-araw. Napisak kasi yung aking dating ginagamit. Napisak sa aking bag. Walang case kasi. Wala pa akong napili, guys. Wala pa akong napili. Daming luggage dito. One carry. Ang cute niya, oh. One carry. Magkano? 79. Ito shells. 100. Ang cute naman. Sales. Ang cute dito. Ang dami. Pagpipilian. Ito, parang ano siya. How much this? 80. 80 guys, ang gaan. 80. Oh. Anong tatak? Let's 80. Ang gaan siya. Ang gaan, ang cute. I got this, guys. It's ready to fly. No way, bye-bye. We're going to the train. Uwi na tayo. Tama na shopping. May sumba ako. Babush! Bye-bye! Busy hours, guys. Busy hours. Uwian na. Busy hours. More cars. Yan po ang garden ng mga seniors. Nagre-ready na sila mga garden.